I'm about to show you the biggest shift in online advertising in 20 years and why the next 6 months will determine who dominates the next decade. ChatGPT ads are replacing Google ads, and this is why early adopters will dominate. Google just lost its throne, and most advertisers have no idea it even happened. Right now, while you're watching this, OpenAI is rolling out ads inside ChatGPT. And here's the thing that nobody's talking about. This isn't just another ad platform. This is the biggest shift in how people find and buy things online since Google Ads launched over 20 years ago. The early movers are going to print money. Everyone else, they'll be playing catch up for years. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why ChatGPT ads are different, why beginners actually have an advantage right now. ChatGPT ads are already live. Let me paint you a picture. You open up ChatGPT and you ask it to recommend the best project management tool for a small marketing agency. ChatGPT gives you a detailed answer. It breaks down the options, helps you think through what matters. Then right below that answer, you see a clearly labeled sponsored recommendation. It's not a banner. It's not some random ad that has nothing to do with what you asked. It's a text-based suggestion that actually fits the conversation you're having. That's a ChatGPT ad, and they're testing them right now in the United States for people using the free and the basic tiers. Here's what makes this really wild. These ads don't show up randomly. That's what I love. They only appear when someone is asking ChatGPT something that has clear buying intent. Trip planning, software selection, finding a lawyer near you. The system reads the conversation, understands what you need, and only shows you an ad if there's a relevant product or service that could help. Think about how different that is from scrolling Instagram and seeing an ad for sneakers when you're just looking at cat videos. ChatGPT ads show up at the exact moment you're looking for help making a decision. That's not interruption marketing, that's assistance. And here's why this changes everything. Let me break down what's actually happening here, because most people are missing the big picture. For the last 2 decades, Google has owned high intent advertising. When someone searches for something on Google, they want an answer or a solution. Advertisers pay to show up in these results, and it's been the most profitable advertising model in history. But here's the problem with Google. You get a list of links, 10 blue links, some ads at the top, some on the side. You still have to click around and look at different pages, compare options yourself. It works, but it's clunky. ChatGPT flips this entire model upside down. Instead of giving you links to sort through, it gives you an answer, a real conversation. And when you're in that conversation, asking for recommendations, that's when the ad appears. Not before you know what you want, not after you've already decided. Right in that perfect moment when you're figuring out your next move. Analysts are already saying this is going to pull massive budgets away from Google search. And it makes sense. If you're a business owner and you can show up in the exact conversation where someone is asking ChatGPT for help finding what you sell, why would you only stick with old school search ads? The playing field just reset. Here's where it gets interesting for anyone watching this video right now. Google Ads has been around since the early 2000s. That means there are people who have been running Google campaigns for over 20 years. They know every trick, every optimization, every little detail that gives them an edge. If you try to compete with them on Google today, you're walking into a mature, crowded battlefield where the big players have already figured everything out. ChatGPT ads, they just started. Nobody is an expert yet. The platform is so new that OpenAI is still testing formats, still figuring out policies, still building out the infrastructure. There is no 10-year veteran of ChatGPT advertising because it didn't even exist 10 months ago. That means if you start learning this now, you're starting at the same time as everybody else. Actually, you're starting before most people because most advertisers haven't even heard of this yet. They're still dumping their budgets into the same channels they've used for years. So this is the window. This is the moment where beginners can actually win because experience doesn't exist yet. The person who figures out how to write great ChatGPT ad copy in the next 6 months isn't competing against someone with a decade of data. They're competing against other people who are also figuring it out. So in my next video, I'm breaking down exactly how ChatGPT ads work. The people who move first are the ones who are going to own this space. See you soon.